The class was not anything like what I expected. It was so much more.
I've been to a lot of training classes over the years for a previous career, and the one thing that stood out here was how welcoming Levi, Mark, the rest of the employees was. It never felt like we were coming into a facility that they just wanted to collect our money and get us out the door. They truly treated us like we were family.
Completely worth it. Your entrance fee is very low. It was first rate. We could use any of the materials we wanted to use, so we could experiment, and it provided an opportunity to learn, and if it's not perfect, that's okay, because that's not something that you're going to hang on a wall. That's not something that you have to live with every day, but that you also got the guidance on next time this is what you could do differently.
I think all of it was put together so well only because even though in some cases you had to share things, it made you socialize and network and get to know people around you, and I'm sure that that was the basis of some of it. But really, I learned so much, and I have like 7 samples to take home, as I leave here after 4 days.
Watching them mix colors and how they did it, it's endless opportunities with this epoxy, and it's not hard.
After the 3rd day here, my wife and I were talking about how we're going to use it in our house, and we've already bought a whole bunch of product to take home, and we have half a wall of tile up in a bathroom, and that's coming down when we get home. we're going to be putting epoxy in, and we would have never even considered that. We never considered that before coming here and learning how to do it and realizing just the unending possibilities of epoxy.
The class appeals to a really wide variety of people. When I came here, my sort of circle of focus was pretty small. Well, now that I've had the class, oh my gosh, the ideas that I have, now I'm thinking of creating this huge company that I wasn't originally planning on doing, and it will be super exciting. In fact, Jo here, she kind of got me thinking on some of these ideas, and as soon as I get home, I'm starting to work on them.
Actually, I have to say I came here for the creative side, but the marketing and the side that makes me feel like I can actually have a business like this, all that background has really been helpful, because the marketing aspect and like even the concrete repair, giving us some ideas all about that, which I never thought I would be doing, but now it doesn't seem, like something I can't do.
Now that we've come, we have somewhere to call when we have questions, and to me that's priceless. It's certainly money well spent. It's a good investment.
It was an amazing, amazing experience. I actually want to do it again.
Just an awesome class. I'll be back. I'll be back for at least 1 or 2 more.
Yeah, I'm coming back. I'm absolutely coming back. I'm sure everyone is saying that, so yeah.
If you're even sort of thinking about getting into resin epoxy, whether it is for crafts, whether it is for art, whether it is for contractor work, floors and countertops, remodeling, you're gonna get something out of this class. It is not geared towards any one particular thing. Everybody got something out of it. It was, come, and it's a lot of fun. And Grand Junction is a pretty cool place.